All right, what's up? I don't see you guys here in the chat box. Maybe this isn't working, maybe not. Not sure. There it goes. All right. What's up, Fulton? What's up, Alan? What's up, Peter? Web Searcher, good morning. Norsail, what's up? LB, what's up? Meg11, what's up? Cash Mash, good morning. Hopefully everyone had a great weekend. We were finally back to our live streams. Took a little bit of a break there for last week. Enjoyed the holiday, had a good weekend, and now we're back in business. So, feeling good, feeling optimistic. We have a couple gappers here. We can go through the gap scan. So we have two gappers here over 100%, which is always good to see. First one I have up here is up 110%, which is SVMH. Let's take a look here at SVMH. Take a look here at the dilution tracker. SVMH. 9.4 million share float for a penny stock, which is fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. So SVMH, the news is deploys advanced AI platform. AI has been a huge buzzword past year or so. Advanced AI platform to manage lead generation platform for Piranha 2.0 electric motorcycle. Pretty decent catalyst. Pretty decent catalyst. I like it. Oh, wait. Except this catalyst here says this catalyst says the platform receives over 2,000 daily injuries since June 16th. They're trying to make it seem like, oh yeah, the platform is working, guys. We're getting to 2,000 daily injuries. But yeah, 2,000 daily injuries, that's not good. I don't know. I wouldn't ride that motorcycle, but for 2,000 daily injuries, there's definitely something wrong with that motorcycle. That's for sure. But anyways, it is up 100%. And market seems to be taking it pretty good, pretty nicely here. Pre-market, at least. Pre-market. We do have some levels. Oh, I remember this stock. I remember this chart pattern. His daily chart pattern is horrendous. Absolutely horrendous. Look how choppy this is. It can't hold highs to save its life. So maybe we see a little bit of a bigger move. If we can close up here, we got to be able to close up here 35.36, where areas where we could not previously close. Maybe we can see a squeeze. But yeah, we got a level here off at 46. Yeah, so I already have my levels up here from previously. We probably traded on this day. Let's see. Next gapper here is IVP. No news on IVP, but it's a micro float, I believe. 900,000 share float, or 920,000 share float. So we got a micro float, $3 a share. I'm not sure what happened here. We had a huge rip and then a dump here. I didn't trade this on the 3rd. But wow, that's pretty nasty. That's pretty nasty. Now we curl back up, breaking that previous high at 312, ripping up to 391, pulling back. If we can hold this level, that would be very nice. That would be very, very nice. But there's no news to account for this move. So it is purely technical, as far as I can see. For a 900K float, let's see the spread here. It's a 1 cent spread. I wonder if the spread is going to open up at the open when there's more volume. The volume's kind of light. Volume is very light. 30,000, 60,000 shares. I think that the high, like the highest volume trading candle is 150K. It's enough to move this type of stock, but I want to see more attention. I definitely want to see more attention for it to be the winner of the day. If it's going to be the winner of the day, it's got to be turning a couple million shares per 1 minute candle at the open, at least at the open. And I think that's the only two gappers that I see that are good. Some people are calling out ZAPP. What's up, Drew? What's up, Trader and Nuclear Trader? What's up? That's the only two gappers I see. I know some people are saying Zap is still moving up, which is, man, this thing just keeps on going. From $2 all the way up to $8.30 over the course of 1, 2, 3, 4. This would be the 5th day. 5th green day. Wow. That's crazy. Maybe this is the day we get that blow off top and it just starts to go bananas. Who knows? Who knows? Let's see where we're at here on the daily chart. We're in a decent position. It still could squeeze out at the open. It still has more potential to squeeze over these levels. 840 looks like we double topped up in that area. Pulled back a little bit. Definitely want to see a retest of that. And then we have a surge up into 1027. So not sure if all the shorts say, we have some short sellers who accumulated in this area between, in this range from 420 up to about 7. I'm not sure if most of them have already squeezed out or if there's more still yet to squeeze. It's tough to say because there's actually not a lot of volume on these days. Very low volume. So maybe the high is already in for Zap. That's also possible. Always got to exercise caution because this one also does not have news. Does not have fresh news, at least. So we got two no news gappers. The only news we got here is on SVMH. It's another gapper, MORF, but I think this one was a buyout. What do we got here? Yeah, so Eli Lilly pays to buy this company. And Eli Lilly, man, is crazy. This stock is just blasting to the stratosphere. Holy crap. Somebody's getting rich. That's for sure. And it's not me. Just freaking buy calls. Just buy calls all day long. All day long. Holy crap. Wow. I think we're going to 1,000 eventually. Not financial advice. Again, disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I have no idea what I'm talking about. But man, this thing is a massive move on Eli Lilly. But yeah, let's take a look here at the overall market. Overall market, breaking new highs. What's new? Breaking new highs. Which I guess is, for small caps, it doesn't really matter all that much. But usually you like to see it trending up. Usually you like to see the market trending up. But usually it doesn't matter because we did see some decent opportunity on the brief recession that we had in 2022. Tesla has been another one moving. Looks like we potentially be a relative top here. Could be forming a relative top. Maybe we see a little bit of a retrace for a quick dip. I have trend lines all the way down here at 22, but 220 to 222, but I don't know if we're going to come all the way back down there or not. We do have a high here at 265. Maybe we see like a little bit of a brief pullback and then a continuation move over the next couple of days or weeks. But yeah, nice bounce here on Tesla off the low. I am holding a little bit in a swing account. I did accumulate some shares here at 187. And similar to like kind of how I traded a small cap stock, you know, we're kind of hit the low. Unfortunately, I missed the low. I was thinking we would get even lower, and I just completely missed the bounce here. But after the consolidation, I was like, all right, looks like a potential reversal pattern. I got in here at 187 as we started to curl back up, breaking the pivot here at 190s, and still holding it. So very nice. Very nice swing trade here. I got in at 187, all the way up here at 250. We're still holding. Maybe I even load up more. Maybe I load up more on the dip. Maybe we can test 265. Who knows? I don't know how I'm going to play this yet. Not sure how I'm going to play it yet. Or if I'm just going to kind of hold it super long term, maybe like a couple years. I don't know how I'm going to play it. I just saw a good entry and I was like, all right, you know, let's get in. So we got in here 187. Now it's hitting pretty nice. So that's that. IVP. Let's see what its IVP's at. Still in that consolidation. Nothing really changed there. SVMH. So it looks like we have a little bit more of a 5-minute pullback. 5-minute pullback to 90 EMA. Nice. Bottoming tail here. This is what you like to see. For the 5-minute pullback. Testing that 5-minute 90 EMA. Forming that bottoming tail on the 5-minute chart. Maybe we can see this next candle to make that 5-minute candle to make a new high. And see that test back near the highs. So that's what we're looking for here on SVMH. We don't want it to see it back under 30. This could be a good entry for longer hold time traders. Putting the stop here at the low at 29. Looking for the curl back to the highs. Good risk to reward ratio. You'd be risking maybe, what is that? 1 cent? 2 cents? Risking 2 cents to make potentially 6 cents or 7 cents if we break the high. So decent risk to reward ratio. I should have gotten in, huh? Should have gotten in. Now we're already testing the 5-minute to make a new high. 5-minute candle to make a new high. Next 5-minute candle opens in 80 seconds. 80 seconds? I just say 80 seconds. I need some more coffee. Holy crap. So 40 seconds. 40 seconds. And see if we can make that 5-minute candle make a new high. I do not want to see a break back below 29 cents or 30 cents. I do want to practice in the simulator for longer hold time trades because I think there's a lot of meat on the bone. I think there's a lot of meat on the bone for those longer hold time trades. So like something like this, I want to practice in a simulator, maybe buy, you know, some shares in a simulator, put my hard stop maybe, put even maybe a hard stop, 29, and just let it ride. You know, I'm either going to have a huge profit on some of these small caps, you know, if you can time the low early in the move, yeah, you can make 100%, 200%, 300%. There's a lot of meat on the bone. But, you know, put in a hard stop and just kind of let it ride in the background while you're kind of hyper scalping in a different account. Or I guess it could be in the same account if you have enough money. But, yeah, you could definitely kind of diversify your strategy. But that's for more like advanced trading. I would not recommend any beginner trader to do that. It's just so much to handle. I would recommend just focusing on one strategy. Lionel asks where I get the big candle with the seconds. Yeah, the big clock. Did I say candle? My mind is all over the place. After last weekend, Jesus. Yeah, so the clock I got is Dash Trader. This is a Dash Trader effect, I guess you could say, or overlay. Dash Trader overlay program. That's on Dash Trader. Skull says longer hold times is weird though because most of these don't go all the way up to your profit target. Yeah, that's another thing is like you can get close to your profit target, could be a couple cents off, and you're coming all the way back down to break even or for a loss. But I'm sure there's a way to work around that, either adjusting your stop. But then again, if you do adjust your stop and it comes down and stops you out, and there's just like a small little pullback, and then it continues higher, then you're like, oh crap, I just missed a whole freaking move. I guess it also depends on the market that you're in. Like if we're in a hot market, then yeah, like I want to definitely be looking for longer hold time trades because the upside is now 10x than the market that we're in right now. The market that we're in right now, yeah, I'd be freaking lucky if this thing bounces up to 36. But in a hot market, this thing's going to $2, $3. And if I can get here and potentially get one of these lows, either here or down here or here, I'm in the green all the way up to $3 or $2 a share, which would be a massive win. Probably more than I'd ever make hyper scalping. So it also depends what kind of market that you're in as well. But yeah, in this type of market, yeah, here we go. I'd be lucky to get 36. But yeah, here we go. Very nice. You know, that entry would have worked, man. That longer hold time trade would have worked. We made that 5-minute candle make a new high. We'd be theoretically up about 3 cents a share. What is it on? If I have 10K shares, that's what, 300. I'd be up about 300 bucks. I'm going to practice that. Definitely going to practice that. Yeah, let's make sure these stocks here are marginable. CRKN, I do remember that is not marginable. So let's take a look, make sure Charles Schwab will be able to let us take some margin trades here, and not cash trades, on these stocks. Are you guys using Dash Trader yet? I'm not using Dash Trader to execute. I don't think we got the green light. As far as I know, I don't think we got the green light that we can just kind of go for it yet, confidently. Nuclear's been using it. I think what it is right now they have hooked up is just like Dash Trader's just triggering a market order or an order through Thinkorswim to execute. It's not, Dash Trader's not going to the back end and executing the trade yet. Because before with TD, I think Dash Trader had they had their own little execution route through Charles Schwab where it wasn't like the same as an order through Thinkorswim. But I think what they have hooked up now is just like Dash Trader triggers TOS just to send an order, which I guess is pretty much the exact same thing as just executing at TOS. That's my theory. That's what's going on right now, but I honestly have no idea. So let's make sure here. Let's check the margin lookup. SVMH. We're good. Special maintenance, 100%. IVP. Special maintenance, 100%. Zap, I think it's 100%, yeah. Special maintenance, 100%. So good. Good. So SVMH, I like SVMH. I've been doing very well the past couple of months with the penny stocks. Penny stocks have been moving, so I wouldn't be surprised if this was the winner today, and I'd be definitely ready to jump on it with 20K, 10, 20K share size, or more than that if I'm really dialed in. The only thing I don't like about these penny stocks is that the fees, because you get those exchange fees, and they add up. They add up. Those exchange fees on these with 10K shares on a penny stock, you can do easy. Well, for me, I could do easy $100 in just fees or more. With people who are like, like someone like trading with Tim, someone like him, he can rack up 500, easy $500 in fees on trading something like this, taking like 50K shares in and outs. Doing that maybe 50 to 100 times. Yeah, those fees will definitely add up. That's the only downside about trading these penny stocks. Even though they have been, ripping, just those fees, man, can really eat into your profit. But I guess if you're green at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter. The worst thing would be is like, if you make all this money, trading huge share size and something like this, and you rack up maybe like $300 in fees, and you're green maybe, let's say you're green only 500, or for you, let's say green is great for $500. That's a great green day, but you have fees for $300. So like now you're like kind of net 200, and then you come back power hour, and then you lose $200. Now you're down, you're break even on the day, but you're red because of fees. That would be the worst. That would be terrible. So SVMH looking good here. Remember, SVMH is the only one with news. You can also keep that in mind. Everything else does not have news. Doesn't mean that SVMH is going to be the one, but it's also something just to keep in mind. IVP still kind of in this range. Volume's low. Nothing right now is showing me that IVP will be the one. However, after 9:30, things can switch like that. So be ready for anything. Be ready to adapt. Good luck. Drop that like on the way out. Subscribe if you're new. Stay calm, cool, and collected. And I'll catch you guys later. All right. Take it easy. Good luck.